Wednesday, he announced it would be free for a limited time or until their servers melt.
The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, February 21st, 2025, and you're listening to FX Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, European stock markets are showing mostly positive trends after overcoming initial pressure caused by disappointing French PMI data. US futures are mixed with modest movements. The dollar index DXY is attempting to recover lost ground, with the euro weighed down by weak PMI figures and the yen affected by comments from Bank of Japan, Governor Ueda. Ueda stated that the BOJ is prepared to respond swiftly, including through market operations, if markets exhibit abnormal behavior. German bunds are strengthened by soft PXMI metrics, while commodities face pressure due to the stronger dollar. Looking ahead, market participants are anticipating US flash PMIs, Canadian retail sales data, and speeches from ECB's Lane, Bank of Canada's Macklem, and Fed officials Kugler and Jefferson. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you found this helpful.
Let's do the analysis of the currency pairs. So first one up, Ossie New Zealand Dollar. This is in an uptrend. All of the criteria are correct for a long trade. We are waiting for a sweet spot to form right here. Ossie US Dollar, also all systems are go for a long, waiting for a sweet spot right here. Euro, Canadian dollar, this is flatlined in neutral zone, so we will skip that. A pound, Canadian dollar, all systems go for a long, waiting for a sweet spot. New Zealand US dollar, same thing, looking for a long, waiting for a sweet spot. This is the US Canadian dollar. All systems go for a short, waiting for a sweet spot. USD CHF, same thing. All systems go short, waiting for a sweet spot. All right, that brings me to the market insight section. Dave, have you played with Grok?
I have not downloaded that one.
Well, don't bother because you got to pay for the app, but the web version is free for a little while. Musk and his team launched it on Monday, I think. I can't remember if it was Sunday or Monday. And they're calling it the smartest AI on Earth.
Okay.
It's the #1 downloaded app on the Apple App Store and on Google Play. It reportedly outperforms Gemini, ChatGPT in math, science, and coding. On Wednesday, he announced it would be free for a limited time or until their servers melt. That's funny.
Huh?
Thursday morning, heavy traffic. Switch to a different model. They all do that. Demand for Grok suggests initial reception, but challenges remain as it competes with established models like ChatGPT. What I did is I have a little coding benchmark that I just drop in there to see what it does. So here's my two observations about it. One thing it does that I really like is, you know how in all of the modern IDEs, it color codes all the code for you?
Yeah, there's really nice way to see things.
Exactly. It does that with whenever you put in any kind of coding stuff in it. So that's one that it does that's really nice. Number two is super fast,
Okay.
significantly faster than the competition. I'm getting responses instantly, whereas regardless of whether you pick ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity, you get this lag before it answers you. So that part's good. The one thing I did notice in my benchmark, there's a thing in there that no matter which model it is, they always get it wrong. And it's a really simple formatting thing. And even if I tell it, these are the rules for the formatting, it still keeps getting it wrong. And I don't know why, but even Grok did the exact same thing. So there must be some weird thing overall in these models that is causing that to happen. And I don't know why, but I don't have time to pursue that right now. So anyway, yet another AI.
They'll still keep competing.
Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna stop. Everybody's gonna try to be the fastest and everything else.
Yeah. Fastest, bestest, cheapest.
Yeah, I'll take the one that runs locally.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. All right, dude. That is all I have for today. Have a great weekend.
All right, sounds like a plan.